Hi guys, welcome to our PPC Academy. My name is Lukashin and I'm data analyst here at tailor-made. Today I will talk about new budget options on Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions regarding this topic, write us in the comment section below. And in this video I will cover several topics regarding budgets in Amazon advertising. One of them is the new budget options, which are super helpful, such as new budget rules and budget tab in Campaign Manager. But before that, I want to talk more about budget optimization and average time in budget. Part of your successful Amazon strategy is to keep campaigns in budget 24/7 without depleting or going out of budget. Most sales happen during shopping peak time, when it is highly necessary to have all campaigns running and delivering. We're talking here about evening, about afternoon, when it is crucial to have all campaigns that deliver, especially the most profitable ones. In the past several months, Amazon has added many new features to help sellers and advertisers have campaigns delivering all the time. One powerful feature turned out to be the budget option, which is still in beta testing. So don't be surprised if you don't see it yet in your account. There are many new metrics inside, such as the average time in budget. It shows us an average time in the budget for each active sponsor products campaign. Regarding the campaign's performance, we can increase or lower budgets. I will give you an example. Let's say we have an average time in budget of 80% for the selected date range, while ACOS is below the targeted one. This feature allows us to increase the budget to get more sales. In that manner, your campaigns will deliver during peak time and catch most of the daily sales. Keep in mind that this budget beta option only applies to sponsor products campaigns, while you should check and optimize sponsor brands, video, and sponsor display campaigns. Don't forget for the metric such as missing sales, which is very helpful too. The next helpful option is budget rules. I recommend it as Amazon is rolling out a new campaign feature. It allows us to let Amazon increase budgets during peak times, such as Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or the Christmas season. The budget rules will include Prime Day and all crucial days in the future. There are daily and weekly date ranges depending on our historical performance. The second part of the option is performance-based rules. You can let Amazon optimize budgets depending on the campaign's performance, such as conversion rate or ACOS. Once again, it only regards sponsored products campaigns. We have to say that there are many new features in Campaign Manager for budgets. That would be all, folks. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos coming next week. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and follow our social media for the latest PPC news. See you.